B-RealTales just to use a free application and then keep using it without paying any dime. Okay, so if this video has already passed that information to you, please make sure to like the video just to support me, and also subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much as you are doing so. So now let's get started. So I'm going to start with our own popular known ChatGPT. So here, because of time, I've already drafted out the script, or would I say the prompt that I want to be using. I want you to write a 3D cartoon character script just for, okay, in 50 seconds. Actually, I use voiceover for this. So after that, I've already given my prompt to it. Then this is what it gave me. So now, after this, now you see I needed an image prompt, so I commanded it to give me image prompts for each of the scenes. So this is for scene 1, and then scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and then the consistent one, because we want all our character to be consistent. Okay, so we don't want a lack of consistency, so that is why that was there. So now for this one, now the fish. Okay, so I've already copied the first one, which we are using ChatGPT to generate our prompts. Then the second thing we are using is Meta AI. If you all know, Meta AI actually gives unlimited access for what's it called again, for image generating. Okay, you can use your Meta AI, you can use your anywhere Meta AI, you can even use your Meta AI in your WhatsApp. Okay, anywhere you see Meta, Facebook, WhatsApp, all these places, you can use the chat there, the AI there, to generate unlimited images. Okay, so now this is the first one that I'm already generating. It's actually working on the first image. Okay, so now we can as well paste in the second image here, and once you paste it, then you come back and get your consistency. Okay, don't forget, we need it to be the same. Like, we need everything we are doing to be the same. Okay, so now this is what we want here. Then once this one is done generating, we can as well send the second one out. So now you see creating image. Okay, so once this image is being created, you know that we have gotten what we need. I won't make this video to, so you see that this is actually very fast. You see, it is very fast. Okay, so now I'm going to copy this and then paste it here again, and this is going to be the okay, this is going to be the second. Okay, so you can save this to your phone. It's actually fast when it comes to generating images. Okay, so now after this one is actually done, now let's check back to know whether this is done. Meta AI is actually slow when it comes to image generating. It's just kind of slow though. That's kind of slow, I don't know. So we can save this now. So just click on save. You have saved it. So if you check the images, they look what, they look exact the same. Okay, so let's continue with this. Let's just continue with this. We're going to move over to the next app, and the app we are going to be using is what they call Gen V. So this is the app. Okay, if it's your first time of hearing about this app, you are welcome. Just come, carry your seat and come and sit down. Yeah, have your seat. So now in this app, now you're going to see something like this here. Okay, so now you're going to actually paste your prompt here, your animation prompt here. Then, but before then, this is how you can get your animation prompt. Okay, so you're still going to tell ChatGPT to give you animation prompt. This is my own animation prompt for those images created. Okay, so this is my animation prompt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the first one. Remember, we do it set by set. So I'll copy the first one. Okay, I will come to this place. Okay, please guys, just hold on. I'll come to this place. Then what am I going to do? I will paste it. Okay, so but before then, I will set this place. You see free videos. I will set it to Google VEO 3.1 fast. All right, so this is what I'm going to set it at. Okay, so once I set it at this one, I can decide whether to do it at portrait or I want it to be in a landscape. So let it just be in a landscape. Okay, so now it's in 8 seconds, and then our resolution is at 720p. That's HD. So now once I've pasted your prompt, you click on this image here, then you click on upload. Okay, then you just click on the first image, which is this. Then once you click on that, you click on create. This is what you're saying here, and it's going to play a ad. As we just click on it, just like bam, the ad is just going to pop up, and then after the ad, your videos will be ready. So now eventually this have started creating. Okay, so as you can see, video isn't quite, so it's already working. So if you want to check out the progress, you click on this arrow that is showing back. Next that you expected to do, so you come to this place, you see assets, you click on it, and then you're going to see 22%, 23%, 24. So this is how it works. Okay, so now, so there's another secret here in this ChatGPT. Many of you are looking for voiceover applications and how to get a voiceover app. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get a voiceover. So now, as you can see a speaker below this. Once you click on this speaker, it will start reading what you just wrote, your story. For example, just listening. Sorry.
Title: The Fish That Talked Back. Style: 3D cartoon animation, Pixar
You can hear
inspired.
that,
Duration:
right?
Today's the day. I'm finally catching the biggest fish in the whole river. Scene 2: The surprise. 10 to 25 seconds. The fishing line suddenly jerks hard. The monkey.
Let me stop this. So when you play it, you see the narrative voice, like everything was so perfect. So now imagine now telling ChatGPT to give you a rundown voice over script that you use to generate a voice over. Like, let me say, give me this is the voice over. Just this is the voice over. Everything is there. So now the same thing when you click on voice now. Guess what is going to happen?
Here's a professional AI voiceover
It's
prompt
going
you can
to
use with a
play.
narrator. Narration: cinematic and engaging. Duration: approximately 50 seconds. Voiceover
You
script.
see that?
On
So
a bright,
you just
sunny
all you
morning,
need to do is just
cheerful
to
little
screen
monkey
record.
sat beside a
When you're done
sparkling
screen
river,
recording,
happily
just
fishing.
go over to your CapCut, paste it, and then you are good. Like, man, like you are just good to go. Like, no stress, you are good to go. So that is that. So now let's go back to our um Gen V. Okay.
Alright, so the video has already generated. Okay, so what do we have to do now is just to play the video and download it. So let's watch the video and see how it is. So you see, just could you just see how the video, everything was just so cool, everything was just like the way we just wanted it to be. Right, so once you're done, just click on this download. So it's going to download and it has to play a ad before it actually downloads. Okay, so you click on download.
Last month, I almost.
So as you can see now, the video has already downloaded. So what next do we have to do here? So you head over back to your CapCut. Okay, so this is where you do your finishing work. I've already showed you guys on how to get your voice over, but that is just the what's it called, that one is just for people that want to use ChatGPT. So if you still want to use, you can use evernote.com. So that's the other one to use. So what's this one? So okay, sorry. So now what you have to do is just go to your project, edit, then click here, then import the video. Okay, once you just import the video, you just add the voiceover. How do you add the voiceover? Click on add audio, extract. Okay, so once you click on extract, then you're going to see something like the voice you just did. So I think 20 it should be this. Okay, yeah. This one, that's the voiceover. So you click on add, then you can just crop it off the place it started. Then from here, I can't hear the voice.
Here's a professional AI voiceover prompt
because
you
I'm
can use.
using my recording. So once you just put your voice over, you add other images, like other communications, you are good. Your video is very much ready to go. Okay, so that is how to use this application. So just follow for more. I'll be dropping more application. There are plenty of it. I'll be dropping, and it's just like unlimited. It's not something that you use 2 or 3. They will tell you to subscribe or pay. It's absolutely free. I'll be dropping more for those of you that have actually bought my course that is in my community. And if you also want to join the community, you can as well. You can as well let us know that you want to join the community. just comment on below this video, but make sure you follow us, like this video, and drop a comment that you want to join the community. Then I will send you a link to join the community, so you get a full package of everything that is happening. Okay, so thank you for your subscription, and thank you for watching this video. God bless you.